Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel. In today's video we will be doing some easy leg stretches designed to improve flexibility. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into a seated butterfly pose. So simply bring the soles of the feet together, sit up nice and tall. Your hands can wrap around your feet, really opening up the hips here. As always, coming back to your breath. And now from here we'll come into a head to knee pose. So let's start by extending our right leg out long, hugging the left foot into that right thigh, keeping this right foot flexed towards you. And now from here on your next inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg and then melt it forward. In this pose, we're really breathing into the back of the right leg, the calf, the hamstring. And on your next exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. We'll just take that over to the other side. So extending this left leg out long, hugging the right foot into the left thigh, keeping this left foot flexed. On your next inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg and then melt it forward. Again, really breathing into the back of the left leg. And on your next exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. Great job, you guys. From here, we'll make our way into a deer pose, otherwise commonly referred to as a 90-90 stretch. So essentially what we're doing is we're creating two 90-degree angles in both of our legs. So let's start by placing our right leg in front of us, right knee in line with the right hip, and 90-degree angle in the right leg. Right foot is flexed, left knee in line with the left hip. 90-degree angle in the left leg, left foot is flexed, hands can just rest by your side, sit up nice and tall. You should definitely feel this in the hips here. On your next exhale, mindfully release. We'll just take that over to the other side. So bringing our left leg in front of us, our right leg behind us. Left knee again in line with the left hip, 90-degree angle in that left leg, left foot is flexed, Right knee in line with the right hip, 90-degree angle, right foot is flexed, hands resting by your sides. Maybe notice how this side might feel a little bit different. I know for me the side's a little bit more tight, so just be aware of that. And on your next exhale, let's release. From here, let's bring both our legs out in front of us. And we're gonna do what I like to call gas pedals. So your hands can just rest by your sides or maybe a little bit behind you. And essentially what we're doing is just pretending we're stepping on and off the gas pedal. So starting with our right foot. So by doing this, we're working with the mobility and the flexibility within the foot and the ankle. I feel like our feet and our ankles don't get much love for whatever reason, whether it's yoga or working out. So sending the feet and the ankles some love. After the gas pedals, we can start to do some circles with our right ankle, moving in one direction and then changing it up, going the other way. Awesome job. Now let's take it over to the left foot. So pretend you're stepping on and off that clutch. And then we can start to do some circles with this left ankle. Going one way and then going the other way. Awesome job. From here, just come back to a neutral position, keeping the legs together, keeping both feet flexed towards you now. We'll come into a seated forward fold. So on your next inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, melt it forward, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can't, that's totally okay. You can just let your hands rest where they naturally fall. Again, really breathing into the back of the legs here. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And then once we do get here, we're going to do some single leg raises. So let's start by lifting our right leg up towards the sky. And now from here, grabbing a hold of the back of the right leg. So grabbing onto the hamstrings. Make sure you're avoiding the back of the knee. And try and straighten out this right leg to the best of your ability. Breathing here. Exhale, release. We'll take that over to the other side. So lifting our left leg up towards the sky, grabbing a hold of the back of that left leg. Again, make sure you're avoiding grabbing behind the knee. Exhale, release. From here, let's hug our right knee into our chest. Breathing here, keeping that left leg extended out long. Exhale, extend that right leg out long, taking it over to the other side, hugging that left knee into your chest. Exhale, release. From here, let's hug both knees into our chest. Wrap your hands around both legs. Give yourself a nice big hug. Feel free to rock side to side. Now from here, we'll come into a happy baby pose. So grabbing the outsides of the feet, soles of the feet are pointing up towards the sky. And in this pose, really try and keep the full spine rooted in the mat. So if the low back's coming up off the mat like this, see if you can dial it all the way down. Exhale, release. Now from here we'll come into another butterfly pose, this time a reclined butterfly pose. So simply again, just bring the soles of the feet together. Hands can rest by your sides, or you can have one hand on the belly, the other one on your heart. I encourage you to close your eyes here now. And now on your next exhale, let's extend both legs out long, extend the arms out long, coming into final Shavasana. Again, keeping the eyes closed, letting the mind and the body reap all the benefits from today's practice. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up, come into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring your hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.